What's going on, guys? Welcome to German Motors. My name is Miguel, one of the techs here, and as you can see behind me we have a beautiful 48 Spyder, and today we are going to be adding some carbon fiber goodies. I already went ahead adding a carbon fiber center console and tackled the driver's side to get myself familiarized with the installation of this product. As you can see, it is not just a cover, it is a full-blown mirror assembly, so we have to swap all of the components into the new one. Long story short, when this car is all finished, it's going to be beautiful. So first up, we're going to go ahead and remove the mirror assembly, but before we even attack that, we're going to disconnect the battery. Before I disconnected the battery, I wanted to make sure the passenger side window was up. Otherwise, I wouldn't have access to the bolts holding the mirror assembly to the door. Went ahead and removed the passenger side kick panel in order to access the battery. Went ahead and started to remove the bolts holding the door panel. Removed necessary connections and moved the door panel out of my way. Went ahead and removed the connectors to the mirror assembly. Right after removing the three 10mm nuts, the mirror assembly slides out. Now with the mirror assembly out, we'll go ahead and start to disassemble. Right after removing the glass portion of the mirror, there's going to be three T15 screws holding the motor assembly to the housing. There will be a rubber grommet on the stock assembly. We'll just slide that off of the connectors and remove a T20 holding the lower portion of the mirror. I slid the connectors right through the old mirror assembly and slid off the upper cover. So once I had everything disassembled, I went ahead and prepped for installation. All I had to do was reverse the steps. After I was all done, I made sure the mirror still had proper operation and double-checked all of my work. The carbon fiber pieces we installed really add to the originality of this car.
What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for watching our YouTube video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and stay tuned for more.